Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can switch from professional account to normal account on Instagram. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and first of all we can go to our profile. So as you can see that here I have professional account and I'm going to switch it to normal account, and then we can click on the three lines and we can scroll down until we find the creator tools and controls right here. Click on it and we just need to click on switch account type. Okay, and here I'm going to click on switch to personal account. Okay, and click on switch to personal account again, and just wait for a moment. It's still loading, as you can see. Okay, and now my account has been turned into a normal account. I'm going to check it on my profile. As you can see that there is no professional dashboard on my profile. Alright guys, and that's how we can switch from professional account to normal account on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.